Welcome back to the channel and for watching these videos as always. I'm back at the 1969 65-foot Ferrocrete yacht and I'm mega excited to show this. It's been a while since we've come over here, but you'll be watching this video pretty much as it's going in the water. So there'll be a whole series of videos to watch. So some big updates first of all. So as you can see, in previous videos you would have seen holes along here where these stays were put on and bolted into the hull. They've all been filled in. Same on the other side. And looks like pretty much all of those side decks are pretty much done now. We can see more plates on now. But it's inside where it's starting to really gather pace. And thankfully today the lights are on. So I know you've seen this many times, but a lot of the cabling is pretty much in place. Loads of plumbing has been done, continues to be done. If we go down forward, so this room is coming on nicely. So again, we've got more systems and plumbing in here, but the bed is taking shape. Access to plumbing in here. That's going to be more storage, already lined. I think you can see the carpet in there. So that's all coming on. The heads compartment, well, it's almost there. It's almost there. But what I didn't show you before, because the lights weren't on, it looks a bit dark, is the forward bedroom. So this is where the mast comes through here and seats into that plate there. But again, this is a great room. All the steps are done. Let's see if this is open. Sail locker. And that hatch there goes up onto the deck. All lighting in. I think it looks brilliant. And as you can actually see, you go through here, you can actually see the concrete's been painted and flow coated. And then these here are the feet for the ladder. More systems access down here. What we've got under here, more systems. I love it when it all looks lovely and clean. And then when you look in the cupboards, bit more piping. I'm not sure if you can quite see that, but this is all carpeted as well. And when the power's on, these little spring here, that's a little pressure switch, so as soon as it comes off it should set the lights off inside there, so it will be lit up. Same in here, same in here, and full of stuff, but you get the idea. And then maybe with the well, you can get more sensitive in here now. I'm not sure if this light's on. No. Still the same heads compartment you've seen before. All the flooring's finished now. Systems access and shelving in there. And that lock, once you spin it round and lock it in place. Flash controls for the toilet, obviously, don't need to tell you that. But I just did. Another bedroom, exactly the same as those ones. Storage down here, light switches in here, hanging locker. We're pretty much finished. So this is going to be looks like a double bed cabin. Right, let's go to the stern of the boat and have a quick look. So first things you come through, the bulkheads in. So this is likely to be, I think this is the galley area, it's going to be in here, and seating area. But you have, I think I showed in the previous video, you have a lot of the plumbing in here. And then there's going to be a head compartment being built out here. And apologies, it's not actually the light flickering, it's just the shutter speed I think on this camera, on the GoPro. More plumbing being worked on. And this will be the master bedroom. See shelves going in. It's absolutely excellent. But it's right outside, and there's some people just dismantling an old boat down here, which I won't show you. But yeah, I think this is coming together. So the aim, the current target date, is to get this all complete, and I think approaching launch into the water, I think in March 2025. So exciting, mega exciting. But we'll catch you on the next video, and hopefully it will now be a sequence of release of videos where you can see up until the boat gets launched. Until the next video, take care, see you later, bye bye.